my corners. So I'm going to start at a 45 with my right foot forward. And actually, maybe you guys, what I'll do is I will turn around and do this facing the mirror so that as you face me, your directions don't get messed up. So let me try that. So I'm at my 45, and what I'm going to start with, so my arms are going to be nice and low. We'll go over arms after we cover our feet, but what we're going to do is we're going to develop a up and develop a out to second, close, and develop a forward. So I'm out, straight, forward. Good. So arms for that. Your arms should come up with your leg. They should go out as you go out to second. Your right hand will come together as your feet come back in. And then your right hand is going to go up as your leg goes out. So let's try all of that. I'm at my 45, 5. Each of these moves, 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me review those arms one more time. So they come up, out. This is my right hand. It'll come forward and then back up. All right? So good. So we've just gone forward and up, right? So what we're going to do now is something called a grand rondé jambe. So when we do a rondé jambe on the floor, what it looks like is I go out to tendu, I drag my toe in a half circle till I'm tendu in the back, and then I close. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to do that in the air. So a grand rondé jambe is in the air. So I'm going to come all the way around. Instead of coming down, what I'm going to do is something called a promenade, where I do little tiny lifts with my heel until I'm at my other 45. Then I will close and come down. Arm comes all the way down. Let's try that again. Full thing together. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll come up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grand rondé jambe and promenade. And we close all the way down. Good. How are we feeling? I know it's a lot. You're always welcome to pause the video, go back, and watch and walk through it with me again. So I'm going to go ahead and keep going on because you can always go back in the video, okay? All right. Wonderful. So we've come down. Our foot is in front of us. Now what we're going to do is a pirouette. On our left leg, we're going to turn towards what we call our working leg. So my left leg stays planted, my right leg is nice and turned out, and I'm going to turn towards my right leg, okay? So I'm at my 45. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come down 7, 8. Yes? Let's do that one more time. So I've just done my grand promenade. I close, I touch the ground, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right, I hope we're feeling good about that. So from here, what I'm going to do is a pas de bourrée, which is a step that goes like this. Let me show you first. It goes side, back, front. And we want to stay on the balls of our feet. So let's do it again. Side, back, front. I step to the side, I step back, I step forward, right? So we just landed. This foot is free, so I'm going to step to the side and start my pas de bourrée with my right foot. Pas de bourrée, my arms are like this. Now I'm going to do it on the other side, which means I'm going to step to the side, back, front. Side, back, front. Good. Let's try that just from the turn. So just a reminder, we just did our promenade, which is turning, using little movements of our heel. I closed, and then I went down to the ground. So from the turn, 5, 6, 7, 8, we prep, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. That should be 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Wonderful, good work you guys. I know this is a lot. Remember, you can always pause the video, rewatch sections, okay? All right, so my left foot is forward, my right foot is back. What I'm gonna do from here is a tiny little coupe turn. Coupe turn means I go in coupe and turn in coupe. All right, so what I'm gonna do is pull my right foot up into a little tiny coupe and close. Wonderful. From here, I'm going to do an échappé. Échappé means I go out into second and releve, and I close in fifth. Okay? We're actually going to do two of those. So after you do, let's go from our coupe turn. So our left foot should be in front, our right foot should be in back. I do a little coupe turn. I'm going to close my coupe in back. So my left foot is forward. Let's try an échappé, out to second, and close. Leave your arms out, because we're going to do one more. Échappé. Good. Guess what? That's all of it. All right, so that's all the choreography. We're going to walk through it one time, and then we're going to flip it and do it on our left. And then you'll know lots of 8 counts of a little bit of ballet. Those of you that are in point, I believe you know when the point is, like the échappé should be in point. Your coupe is not, but your pirouette is. Okay? All right, let's do it one more time facing the right. Right foot in front. Right foot in front, I'm in fifth. 5, 6, 7, 8, arms and leg. 3, 4, and out. 6, 7, 8, and close. Arm in front and arm up as the leg comes out. And grand rondé-jambe. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. My arm's gonna come down. My foot comes down. 7, 8. Now I go out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Little coupe turn, close and back, échappé, échappé. You might have just noticed I turned slightly during that last échappé. That's because I want to end at the 45 on the left. All right? So I know that was a lot. Pause the video and go back if you want to rewatch it. But what we're going to do now is we're going to learn how to do what we just did on the right, on the left. Okay? All right. You can also pause the video if you need to get a quick drink of water. All right, let's try this. Left foot is in front. I'm in fifth position. 5, 6, 7, 8. And what I'm going to do first, 1, 2, 3, 4, my arms come up. 5, 6, 7, 8, my arms and my leg go out. My leg is going to come back in and my arm is going to follow. As my leg comes out, my arm goes up. Next part, anyone remember? Grand rondé-jambe. And then promenade, little movements with your heel to turn you to the other 45. We close, arm comes down, and my left foot closes in front, my arm comes all the way down. Good, I'm going to keep us going, and I'll review it again after we finish. So next, we take 1, 2, and we go 3, 4. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up my left foot, okay? In addition, I'm going to turn towards my left foot towards the front. So we're turning towards our working leg. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And actually, let's land like this. Good, let's do that turn one more time. So just a reminder, we just did our promenade. We close, we come down. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, up into pirouette, turning towards the front. And close. Good. From here, we go pas de bourrée, backside front, pas de bourrée. And then, small little baby coupe turn. I like to pull my arms down in front. Closing back, last move, échappé, échappé. Woohoo, all right. That was the whole left side. Let's run through that one more time, and then we'll do it one time, both sides all together. All right? Let's do it. Left foot is in front in fifth. I'm at my 45. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. We go out, 6, 7, 8. We close, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. And we grande jambe, 3, 4. Promenade, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Close in front, 6, 7, 8. Now our turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Little coupe, turn and down, échappé, 45. Wonderful, that was great work, you guys. I know that's exhausting, especially holding your leg out there for so long. Building lots of good, strong muscles. So, I'm gonna do this with you one time all together. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn on a song that I really like to do this too. It's called Multiplied by Need to Breathe. So if you want to practice this later on your own, I highly recommend using that song. It's a good tempo. All right, so let me find the song for us, and then we will get started, and this will be the last thing that we do for this class. And as most of you know, I am not the fastest with my songs or my music, but I just found it. So again, it's called Multiplied by Need to Breathe if you want to practice this on your own. We're going to do it once, all the way through, starting on the right. Pas de bourrée, coupe, turn, and échappé, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and pas de bourrée, coupe, turn, closing back, échappé. Wonderful, good work, you guys. All right, so let me just correct one little thing so that if you want to practice this at home, my mistake out here doesn't mess you up. So on the left side, when we turn, remember it comes up and out first, down and forward. I went forward first. You want to make sure you go out and then forward. And then you'll have all the steps right. Okay, wonderful. Good work today. I know that was exhausting. I'm breathing super heavy. I hope you are too. So with that, thank you so much for your time, and I'm going to close us out.